Explain AGI and singularity.
Let me think about that. AGI stands for Artificial General Intelligence, which refers to a machine's ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge in a manner similar to human intelligence across a wide range of tasks. The singularity is a hypothetical future event where AI surpasses human intelligence, leading to rapid technological growth and potentially profound changes in society. It's often associated with the idea of a superintelligent AI that could have unpredictable consequences. For more detailed information, you can refer to the Wolfram Vertical Bar Alpha website. Result for AGI Singularity Explanation. AGI Singularity Explanation. https://www.6b3 wolframalpha.com/input I=AGI plus singularity plus explanation.
Thanks so much.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask.
This is the Rabbit R1, and I've been playing with it since I got it. It's a fun designed item. I knew when I got it, it was going to be a beta, pre-released, a borderline functionality thing, but it's representing a future of a potential handheld agent that might come out different than just our phone. Probably the basic functionality will be on the phone, but this is all it's dedicated to. Well, how it works is you shake it to see the menu, and then you use this little roller here to go up and down on the menu. And then it has a camera that's either front-facing or back-facing. They are updating it on a regular basis. It does connect into your Wi-Fi, either on your phone or wherever you're located. You have to sign into that. One suggestion I have for them is remembering Wi-Fi's of at least several places, because you have to put in the password. And then it has a little camera, and you double click to get the camera to start. So we'll get this out. Getting out of the menu, you shake, and then double click to open the camera. And here we'll turn it so you can see it's me. The camera's a little bit slow, which I expect. And then there's a log online so you can see the activity, and you turn this little thing so that the camera will either be facing which direction. Do you want it facing you or facing the other? Teenage Engineering did the form factor, and I have to tell you, they did a great job. They are a synthesizer company that has a lot of fun in their products, and they're good too. Speaker sounds good, and I hope they keep updating it. The big question is, will they keep updating it? They claim they've sold over 100,000 of these so far. We'll see what happens. Okay, we're going to do a self-picture and ask, what is this? What is this?
Let me take a look. This is an image of an older man with gray hair and glasses who is smiling and looking directly at the camera. The man appears to be in good spirits and is displaying a friendly, warm expression.
Remember to treat your AI well when singularity comes. This is Martin Brossman. Look for some links below, but we cover how these things work and everything else in our different levels of training, from fundamentals of a small business all the way up to what professionals need to know, plus a certificate program and more coming down the pike. It's so important that you have a core competency in really understanding how they function enough so you'll know, is that just clickbait coming out on the news, or is that actually useful information? And being able to make informed decisions, from small businesses applying the free tools to professionals making sure when they're giving counsel or talking to their clients, they look knowledgeable and really understand the basics of it. Remember to click subscribe and the bell, and have a fantastic day having fun with my Rabbit AI. Look forward to future updates.